G'day guys, and in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, we're going a little bit techie. I'm going to talk about 4K and what it means to you. Roll the bumper! G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett. I'm the owner of Gingerbeard Media, and in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, I want to talk about 4K because it's one of those techie terms that gets bounded around.
If you like to watch your TV, and I mean really watch it, you want the Carnivale. It features two-pronged wall plug, pre-molded hand grip well, durable outer casing to prevent fall apart.
Sold!
But often people don't actually know what it means. So let's start with the basics. 4K is the measurement of the size of a video, and it's its physical dimension. We first had 720, which was HD, high definition. We moved to 1080, which is FHID, full high definition, and we now have 4K or ultra high definition. And from there we can even move up the scale to 5K, 6K, 8K. It will just continue. So when 4K is sold to people, be it on a monitor or a camera, it's sold as a better picture because it's a bigger picture. And the question is it really a better image? And the answer is yes and no. A bit like megapixels on a camera, better images actually rely not only on the size of the image, but also the quality of the sensor, the lens that you're using, and so on. So if we're not just relying on the fact that 4K makes a better image, then why would we look at using 4K? And the answer is that it does allow a lot of advantages, such as punching into your image to allow reframing. And if you take that 4K image and crush it into a 1080 sized image, you're obviously getting more pixels in there, which means the image should be of better quality. So the next question you'll have is, should I be shooting in 4K? And again, the answer is, it depends. The truth is that 4K will take a lot of memory to store when you transfer it to your computer, and you'll need a beefier computer in all probability to edit it. And the truth is, if you're not making use of the advantages of 4K, then it's probably not worth using. So do we shoot in 4K at Gingerbeard Media? And the answer is yes. It's been a scaled introduction. We started to use 4K when we needed to. So when we were shooting interviews, we needed to hide cuts. By shooting 4K, we were able to punch into the image. We've since then sort of upgraded tech and taken on 4K, and it's pretty much 100% of our productions now are shot in 4K in a bid to try and provide a better quality product, but also future-proof videos. The final thing I've mentioned about 4K is it does actually change the way that you shoot. Because you're able to punch in, you will actually pull back from your subject a little bit more so that you've got a couple of options, because if you're already in at effectively maximum zoom, then you can't really punch in anymore to the image. But by standing further back, by bringing that image further away, you've got a few options in editing. So there you go, 4K. It's great if you can put it to use, but if you're not going to put it to use, save yourself some memory, save yourself some computer power, and stick to just plain old 1080p. As ever, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business. If you've got any questions or comments, I would love to hear them. And if you're looking to join a community of active business owners who are also shooting their own videos, then come and join our Facebook group, How to Shoot Video for Your Business. Thanks for watching, and as ever, I'll see you in the next video. Gingerbeard Media, get on beard.